Mayonnaise Handbags here, and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here or a returning viewer and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to another unboxing. As you guys can see, your girl is going to be doing a I Love Dooney unboxing, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So I am going to start off with the smaller box, which is a SLG. So let's go ahead and open her up. Now this particular piece that I picked up is a matching piece to what's in the bigger box. So let me go ahead and move my information out the way. This is just how it came packaged. Alright. And it is a wallet. Alright. So it is none other than the small zip around wallet, also known as the Mo Deluxe wallet here on YouTube, and it is in the color Fuchsia and the Greta print, y'all. This is absolutely gorgeous, and it's pretty much coming up true to color on the camera. This is so pretty, y'all. I am so loving it. So I'm not gonna go all into the details of the wallet because I'm pretty sure we all have seen this wallet 1,000,001 times on YouTube. But yeah, it is a zip around. You do get a slip pocket in the front and a zipper compartment in the back, and I'll just show you guys the inside really quickly. So that is what it looks like in the inside. And I did pick this wallet up for $44.85 on sale. All right, so that was the first item that I got. The next item that I got, and guys, just so that y'all can see, yes, this is exactly how my box came. I don't know what to say, so hopefully my item is not messed up on the inside. Right, let's see what it's looking like. All right, this is a pretty big box. Let me move my information out the way. All right, so, all right, that's much better. All right, there you go. So that is my bag, guys. It's so cute. I am loving it, y'all. So this is the Kendra. Let me get it right. This is the Kendra Satchel from the Greta collection in the color Fuchsia, y'all. And I picked up this beautiful bag for, how much did I get this bag for? For $125. So it is currently still available on the site as of today. Today is Saturday, June the 28th. So if you want to pick this bag up, it is still currently available. I will make sure to leave a link for this bag down below for you guys, as well as the wallet, because that is still available as well too. Now I do believe the price on the wallet went up to about $75 on sale. So let's go ahead and take the wrapping off and get a closer look at this beautiful bag. Alright guys, so here she is. This is my Kendra. That is the tag for the bag. Well, that's upside down. Alright. So there goes the tag for the bag. And do y'all see this fuchsia color, y'all? This color is absolutely gorgeous. Dooney Bag does pink so well. I love their fuchsia color bags. They be absolutely, their fuchsia and their hot pink is just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Now this particular bag, I am going to blame Miss P Banks. Okay, so Miss P, I know you watching this, but I'm gonna need you to go sit in the timeout handbag corner for about 5 minutes, sis. And then once your timer go off, you can come back and finish watching this video. I love you, sis. But I saw this in the background of her videos on the shelf several times, and I kept saying that I really hope Dooney and Burke bring this bag back, and they finally brought the Kendra back, y'all, and I am so excited. So I definitely had to pick this up in this beautiful fuchsia color. Now they do have this available in the Greta, in fuchsia, I think a navy, and I want to say the brown tomorrow, but they also have this available in pebble green as well too, in several colors. Now the pink that's available in the pebble green is hot pink, so just FYI, it's not fuchsia, but it's hot pink. But the hot pink from Dooney Burke is still absolutely gorgeous, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over some of the features on the outside of this bag. So all the hardware in the bag is in gold. It does have that gold Dooney and Burke plate on the front. It also comes with 4 feet on the bottom, reinforced with those leather tabs. You guys know I love a bag with feet. It comes with these side pockets as well too, and they are functional. And it's on both sides. You get D-rings on both sides as well too, so that you can wear this as a crossbody or a short shoulder. And you guys know, for me, anytime I wear a satchel, I like wearing it as a short shoulder. Now this also comes with the beautiful handles, guys, that have that buckle detailing that is adjustable on both sides, so I absolutely love that. But the thing that I love, I think, the most about this bag is, look at them tassels, y'all. I am loving those tassels, and this is part of the zipper pull as well. So let's go ahead and take a peek in the inside. Now I didn't see any measurements for this bag on the site whatsoever. I may pull out my measuring tape if I can find it and give you guys some measurements, but if not, if I can find it somewhere else, I will make sure to leave it linked down below for you guys. Okay, all right. So of course it does come with the Dooney red lining in the inside. On that front wall, you do get a slip pocket that is trimmed in that leather as well too. And then here on the back wall, you do get your zip and slip as well. So there goes your zip, and that is the slip pocket. It does have that Dooney leather patch on the back wall as well too. And this one does not come with the key hook or a key leash, so it doesn't. Oh, I'm lying. It does come with a key leash, guys, and actually the crossbody is attached to the key leash. So let me go ahead and show you that. Oh, girl, the paper's sticking to my lip gloss. That's that CoverGirl Yummy Gloss for you. All right, so this is what the crossbody is looking like. Now this one is really skinny, but is this? Yes, this is a 3-part. So I love that it's a 3-part, so you can make it a short shoulder if you want to. So I will definitely be doing that with mine. But it is detachable, as you guys can see as well. Now for the most part, when it comes to my satchels, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I prefer carrying them by the top handle, but I love the option, like I said before, of being able to carry it as a short shoulder if I need to. And being that that has the 3 parts to the strap, I will definitely be able to do that. Now I love that the handles are adjustable. I will adjust mine because, as you guys can see, that's kind of a tight fit for me to get my arm in and out of the handle. So I will be adjusting this to make it a little bit taller so that I can slip my arms in and out of it. But this bag is just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I love the color. The size is really great. And speaking of the size, guys, here's my measuring tape. And let me get to measuring for you guys so I can tell you what everything is. All right. So let's start off with the length of the bag. So the length is about 13 and a half. Okay. And then the height of the bag is about 11. So the height is 11, and then the width of the bag at the bottom is about 8. So yeah, this is a pretty big bag, y'all. Pretty big. Absolutely love it. Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you have a Kendra in your collection, and how many Kendras do you have, guys? This is my first one. I definitely want to pick up another one in a different color, but I am loving this Greta print, y'all. I'm so glad that I end up picking up my first Greta piece in the Bailey tote. That's what really helped me fall in love with the Greta print. And yeah, I will continue to pick up a few more Greta print bags as well, guys. So yes. So let me go ahead and put the wallet up against it so you guys can see that. All right, so that's what it looks like with the wallet. Oh, that's so pretty, y'all. I cannot wait to get into this beautiful bag. This is just absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, so this is my Kendra in the Greta print with the matching wallet. And if you guys are stuck with me this far, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. And don't forget to like this video as well as share. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.